Basset Hound meets children, tips for safety. When it comes to introducing your Basset Hound to children, it is important to prioritize their safety. While Basset Hounds are generally known to be gentle and tolerant with kids, proper supervision and guidance are necessary to ensure a positive and safe interaction for both the dog and the children involved. In this article, we will discuss some essential tips for introducing your Basset Hound to children. 1. Teach children how to approach dogs. Before introducing your Basset Hound to children, it is vital to teach them the proper way to approach a dog. Children should be advised not to run towards the dog, as this can startle or intimidate them. Instead, they should be instructed to approach calmly and gently, allowing the dog to sniff their hand before attempting to pet them. 2. Supervision is key. Never leave your Basset Hound and children unsupervised, especially during the initial interactions. Dogs, like children, can become overwhelmed or anxious in new situations. Keep a close eye on both the dog and the children to ensure that safety is maintained at all times. 3. Introduce positive reinforcement. Encourage children to interact with your Basset Hound in a positive way by offering treats or praise for gentle behavior. This reinforces the idea that kind and respectful treatment is rewarded. Additionally, teach children to avoid pulling on the dog's ears or tail, as this can cause discomfort or even harm to the dog. 4. Set boundaries. It is important to establish boundaries for both the Basset Hound and the children. Teach children to respect the dog's personal space and not to disturb them while they are eating, sleeping, or chewing on a toy. This helps to prevent any potential conflicts or incidents. 5. Teach no rough play. Make sure children understand the importance of gentle play with dogs. Roughhousing or provoking the Basset Hound can lead to negative outcomes, both for the children and the dog. Encourage calm and gentle interactions, such as stroking or playing with a favorite toy. 6. Monitor body language. Both the Basset Hound and the children communicate through body language. Teach children to recognize signs of fear or discomfort in the dog, such as pinned back ears, growling, or trying to hide. Similarly, educate children about their own body language and how sudden movements or loud noises can affect the dog's behavior. 7. Gradual introduction. If your Basset Hound has never been around children before, it is important to introduce them gradually. Start with short, supervised visits to build a positive association between the dog and the children. Gradually increase the duration of these visits as both the dog and the children become more comfortable with each other. 8. Teach dogs no jumping. Basset Hounds have a tendency to jump up when excited or greeting people. Teach your dog the command no jumping to prevent any accidental knocks or falls involving children. Additionally, instruct children to turn their backs and ignore the dog if they jump up, as this will discourage the behavior. 9. Provide an escape route. Always ensure that your Basset Hound has a safe place to retreat to if they feel overwhelmed or need some alone time. This can be a specific room or area where children are not allowed to enter. Respecting the dog's need for space is essential for their overall well-being and helps prevent any potential conflicts. 10. Consult a professional. If you have any concerns regarding your Basset Hound's behavior around children, it is recommended to seek guidance from a professional dog trainer or behaviorist. They can assess the situation, provide expert advice, and offer training strategies tailored to your specific needs. In conclusion, introducing your Basset Hound to children can be a rewarding experience, but it requires careful consideration and proper supervision. By teaching children how to approach dogs, setting boundaries, and monitoring body language, you can ensure a safe and positive interaction between your Basset Hound and the children in your life. Remember, a well-socialized Basset Hound can become a loving and trusted companion for your children for years to come.